Here is Uranus. 84 years to take orbit around the Sun, and is the only planet on its side. Hydrogen sulfide is the smelliest element in the universe. That's the reason why Uranus stinks.
Okay.
What's so funny?
I come from a background where we don't have much awareness of autism, so that was the first time when I heard what autism was. We have had plenty of ups and downs. The way people stare at you, the way they give you the nasty looks in the shopping and etc. etc. It is so very difficult for you to get through those moments. It was too much for me, so I did feel completely lonely. But when I started meeting people who has autistic children, the groups, etc., etc., I felt so wonderful. I felt included. That was the first ever experience for both of us. We felt over the moon. We both were we started clapping hands, to be honest. It's a different world basically, where you feel happy, you feel less judged, you feel supported in all the ways.